Hello, everyone. I'm Anita the Passionista Torres with Passion Powered Leadership Coaching and Consulting. And I'm happy to introduce you to my co-facilitator, Jerry Vereen. And we're here to invite you to our upcoming workshop on Change Your Conversations and Transform Your Business. So, Jerry, what are we going to learn?
Well, we've learned in the conversational intelligence community that 9 out of 10 conversations miss the mark. And what do we mean by miss the mark? We mean that people walk out of meetings with different views of reality and different views of what they've agreed upon. Miscommunication is one of the most common business fatal flaws. Join us at our workshop and we're going to give you tools that will help you improve these conversations so that your conversations are hitting the mark. We want to help you transform your business by improving your conversations. We look forward to seeing you there.
Excellent. Thank you. So please go today and reserve your seat. Visit www.passionpoweredleadership.com/events, and we look forward to seeing you there. That's March 27th at the East Lake County Chamber of Commerce Conference Room from 5:30 to 8 p.m. Thank you.